One, two, three, go.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. I will want to practice my speaking English skill. First, I want to do alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Gilbert April Pratama. You can call me Gilbert. I'm from Toraja, South Sulawesi. I am 24 years old and I have 3 siblings, 2 big sisters and 1 big brother. Then my last education is Marine Academy at Marine Polytechnic in Sorong, West Oslo. My major is ship engineering. My purpose to study English is I want to work on the national ship. Then I would like to show you make coffee. First of all, you prepare the glass, spoon, and then sugar and coffee. After that, you take the pen. You then put the water into the pen. After that, you put the pen on the gas stove. Don't forget switch on the gas stove. Then while waiting for water boiling, you take the sugar and coffee, you put into the glass, then water is boiling, you pour the water into the glass, then stir the coffee for a while, and then coffee is ready to drink. I would like to tell you about Kampung English. The Kampung English is a good place to study English. But here, not only learning English, here also other language. For example, Japan, and then Arabic and German. And then don't worry about the food price, because Kampung English, the food price is affordable. Then in Kampung English, facilities, Kampung English, many facilities. For example, there are welcome and homestay, and then restaurant, mini mart, and ATM machine and bank. And then the many people in Kampung English from anywhere place. For example, from Celebes, Bali, Maluku, and then Aceh and Java. And then the original people in Kampung English, so kind, friendly, and humble. That's all. That's all I know in the Kampung